Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Gemini Voice Assistant. First, open the Gemini application on your mobile device. It's crucial to ensure your device's operating system is fully updated for the best experience. Next, navigate directly to the Settings menu within the Gemini app. Here, you will easily find the Voice Assistant activation option, which is your first step towards a hands-free experience. Now, let's activate voice commands. Tap to enable the Hey Gemini or OK Gemini hot word. The app will then prompt you to grant microphone permissions. This is essential for Gemini to hear you. Take a few moments to complete the voice model training. This helps Gemini accurately recognize your unique voice. You can also adjust sensitivity settings for optimal performance in various environments. It's time to bring all our wonderful ingredients together. In a medium-sized mixing bowl, add 2 cups of plain, full-fat yogurt and whisk it until it's beautifully smooth and lump-free. Now, gently fold in your finely chopped cucumber, onion, and tomato. Next, sprinkle in 1 teaspoon of roasted cumin powder and about 1/2 teaspoon of black salt. For those who enjoy a little warmth, a 1/4 teaspoon of red chili powder can be added. Mix everything thoroughly. Gemini offers many advanced features to enhance your daily life. Explore its seamless integration with other Google services, providing a unified experience. Utilize Gemini for real-time information and complex queries, getting answers instantly. Discover powerful productivity tools, such as calendar management and reminders, to keep you organized. Remember to provide feedback within the app to help improve future updates and features.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.